Good morning. We're going to speak about law Savvidis. Usually, a lawyer side, even those of Donald Trump lawyers, are quite boring. They have only their CVs, their addresses, some major cases, but they are, let's say, just information. And that's why usually the lawyer changes the website once every 5 or 10 years because there is no real value and the websites are real consenters. We have received that. We believe that the lawyers, it's quite expensive and every hour for lawyers should be efficient. So in order to be efficient, you must understand for which reason you want a lawyer, if the specific lawyer can really help you and assist you on the specific matters that he's expertise, and more specific to what is needed to be prepared, so that instead of paying let's say 40 hours in lawyer, to pay at least half of them, or even lesser than those. And let's see it in action. So we start a real chat, and when we say chat, we can write it in 120 language, but we can go far further. Let's use the Greek language, which is quite tough, and use it directly speaking. So what I would like to do, sorry, let's make the request. Θέλω να ιδρύσω μια εταιρεία στην Κύπρο. Θέλω να ιδρύσω μια εταιρεία στην Κύπρο και οι μέτοχοί μου είναι από την Ινδία, την Αμερική και τα Ηνωμένα Αραβικά Εμιράτα. Τι δικαιολογητικά θα απαιτηθούν? Okay, let's pop it. And let's go back again to the meeting, to English language. Όταν αναφέρετε τραπεζικές αναφορές, τι ακριβώς πρέπει να έχω? And what's the fantastic thing? Instead of having a boring website that it doesn't change, and when a website doesn't change, it's going to sell uh, quite bad. You have an interactive mechanism which you can speak with that through with a website, but you can speak through a lot of more applications. So WhatsApp, even Microsoft Teams, Messenger, and more. And so let's say that you have an internal lawyer, which a lot of departments are asking about contract arrest. You can create that an application and answer the majority of the questions, which are not legal advices but just clarification, and make summarization and evaluate the request and ask lawyer questions to the lawyer and get the legal advice for those. Because in the majority of the cases, a lawyer has his legal advice, but he's getting a lot of other efforts which not legal advice. It's just, let's say, clarification of information which probably an AI assistant can answer. Yes, we have reshaped the lawyers industry. And what's the good? The good is the ability, you can have 10 lawyers giving you, let's say, some small advices and decide to which you are his best answering to your requirements, so you can select what's the best lawyer for you. Thank you very much. And the Harry Savvidis, it's an endeavor in that field.